Hey guys, so today's video is going to be my second Birchbox unboxing for April 2016. Earlier this month I had the guest editor box, and I'll put that video up in the cards and down below in the description if you're interested. But both boxes were done or designed by Rifle Paper Company. The guest editor box, I believe they also picked the products that went in it. But this one is a really cool kind of lemony green floral pattern, and the other one was more of like a pinky floral pattern. So yeah, I'm gonna just kind of dig in and see what I got in my box this month. Same as the guest editor box, you get a 20% off coupon for Rifle Paper Company's website, and then just a little card with all the information of the product. Alright, so the first thing that kind of jumped out to me in the box is the shampoo and conditioner. This is by the brand, it's spelt Beaver, like the animal, I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it. But it says it is a repair rescue shampoo that nourishes, heals, and repairs with collagen proteins. And the conditioner is a hydrating conditioner that heals and repairs with collagen proteins as well. And it says that the full size of the shampoo is $15.90, the full size of the conditioner is $16.90. But I think these are really good size samples. You get 2 fluid ounces in each of these, so these would be really good for traveling, or just if you wanted to try it, you could get a good many uses to really see how it works with your hair. The next thing that kind of jumps out at me is this PB&J smoothie stick, and this is in the shade Guava Nice Day. And this is just kind of what the packaging looks like. It's got these cute little smoothies on it, and it's a really pretty color. And it just says that this stick boasts a soft, sweet tint, and features hydrating, good-for-you ingredients. Note, it contains sweet almond oil. So if you're allergic to nuts, this might be a product that you couldn't use. The next thing in my box is this Acure Pore Minimizing Facial Scrub. It says it has Moroccan red clay and argan stem cell in it, and that's for all skin types. It says that the full size is $12.99. You get a fluid ounce in this container, and that it's a gentle scrub that uses Moroccan red clay to draw out impurities and improve skin texture and radiance. I'm excited to try this because it seems a little different than most scrubs, but this is probably the 4th scrub I've gotten in the last 6 months from Birchbox. So I am a little disappointed I keep getting the same type of product over and over again, but I will definitely try this out and see how it works. Alright, the last thing that I got in my box is this RMS Beauty Ultimate Makeup Remover Wipe. These have coconut oil in them, and so what you do is you press them between your hands to warm them up. I'm not going to do it right now because I don't want them to mess up. And it says you hold it for about 20 seconds, and it activates the oil so that you can use it as a makeup remover wipe. I got 2 in my box, and it says that the full size is 16. I'm not sure how many of these you get in the full size, but I'm curious on how well these work, especially with like stubborn waterproof mascara and eyeliner. Alright, well that is everything that was in my second April 2016 Birchbox. Again, I did get the guest editor box, and I'll have that video linked below in the description. But I was very impressed with all the products I got in both of the boxes. The only thing I'm not so excited about is the fact that I got another facial scrub, but this one does seem different, so I am excited to try it. And I'm really excited for that pencil because it actually has some really good pigmentation compared to some of the other lip products that I've gotten from Birchbox in the past. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, then give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos from me, then subscribe. Thanks!